Have you ever noticed that right around 30, things just kind of change? You know, maybe your energy isn't quite what it used to be, or you're starting to see some stubborn weight that just won't budge. It's a super common story. But what if I told you there was a simple, really powerful, and all-natural solution hiding in plain sight? Today, we're going to look at one single food that could be a total game changer for your energy, your vitality, and yeah, even that tricky belly fat.
So, what exactly is going on when we hit our 30s? Let's dive into this new challenge that, let's be honest, so many of us start to face.
Does this sound familiar? You feel like you're doing all the right things, but your energy just keeps dipping, and the number on the scale seems to have a mind of its own. It's enough to drive you crazy, right? And it's almost never just one thing, is it? It's that stubborn weight gain, especially right around the middle. It's that feeling that your overall energy and even your drive have just taken a hit. Then you throw in all the daily stress, and it creates this feeling of general laziness that's just so hard to shake. If you're sitting there nodding along, trust me, you are not alone. But here is the really good news. What if the solution wasn't some complicated diet plan or an expensive supplement? What if it was something powerful, something natural, and something surprisingly simple?
Well, let me introduce you to Makhana, also known as lotus seeds. Now, you might look at them and think they're a bit like popcorn, just these light, puffy little balls, but don't let that simple appearance fool you. These little seeds are absolutely packed with power.
So what is it that makes these little seeds so incredible? Let's break down the amazing benefits you get when you start adding Makhana to your daily routine.
Okay, let's look at the nutrition label, but more importantly, what it actually means for you. Makhana is loaded with protein and fiber. What does that mean? It means it keeps you feeling full longer, which is a huge win for managing your weight. It's also low in calories and carbs, so you're getting all this great energy without piling on the pounds. And on top of all that, it's low in saturated fat and packed with antioxidants, making it a true champion for your heart and for fighting off daily stress. And you know, that high fiber content we just talked about, it's kind of doing double duty. It's not just helping with weight, it's also keeping your whole digestive system running smoothly. And a happy gut almost always means a stronger immune system. Plus, the nutrients in Makhana can even help balance your hormones, which is absolutely crucial for your overall sense of well-being. Now, this is a question that comes up all the time, and it's a really important one. If you're carefully managing your blood sugar, can you still enjoy Makhana? The answer is a big, resounding yes. And the key is its low glycemic index. You might have heard that term before, but this is what makes all the difference when it comes to blood sugar. So here's what that actually looks like in real life. A high GI food, something like a plain chapati, can cause this sharp spike in your blood sugar, followed by a big crash that leaves you feeling totally drained. But a low GI food, like Makhana, it releases its energy slowly and steadily. And that means you get sustained power all day long, without that dreaded afternoon slump. Okay, on to the next common concern, cholesterol. We're always told to watch our snack foods for those unhealthy fats, so where does Makhana fit in? And yep, it's more great news on this front. Makhana is naturally low in cholesterol, which makes it a genuinely heart-healthy snack, so you can enjoy that satisfying crunch and feel completely guilt-free. We mentioned antioxidants earlier, but what exactly are they? Well, you can think of them as your body's own internal defense squad. They're constantly working to fight off the damage that's caused by stress and inflammation. And as it turns out, Makhana is full of these powerful little protectors, including a specific one called camphorol, which is famous for its anti-inflammatory properties.
So, how does all of this connect back to your energy levels? Well, it's like a simple chain reaction. Those antioxidants go to work reducing stress and inflammation in your body. That allows for better blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are getting to your cells. And what's the end result? A natural, sustained boost in both your physical energy and your overall sense of vigor. See, it's all connected.
Okay, so you're probably sold on the benefits by now, but the big question is, how do you actually eat these things? Let's get into the super simple and practical ways you can make Makhana a regular part of your routine.
And honestly, it could not be easier. For a quick, crunchy snack, just dry roast them in a pan for a few minutes. If you want a richer, more savory flavor, add just a little bit of desi ghee while you're roasting. For a really comforting evening treat, you can just add the whole seeds to a bowl of warm milk. Or for a supercharged nutrient boost, roast them, grind them into a powder, and stir that right into your milk. All of them are fantastic options. And here's a great pro tip. Make this your new go-to evening snack. The next time you get that craving for something crunchy, instead of reaching for a bag of chips, just roast a handful of Makhana. A tiny pinch of salt is literally all you need for a delicious, satisfying, and incredibly healthy alternative. So at the end of the day, we're left with this one question. Can one small change, like swapping out your usual snack for a handful of Makhana, really deliver such big benefits for your energy, your weight, and your overall vitality?
Well, based on everything we've seen, it's a simple change that packs a seriously powerful punch. Maybe it's time to give it a try.